Hello guys, today we unboxing Red Magic 8 Pro Titanium. Let's start in the box. Wow, the box is full of gaming characters. Let's open. Here's some documentation which no one read. A simple white case. Let's see what is under the phone. Wow, red Type-C to C cable and 65-watt fast charger. Now see what is in phone. Out the sticker. Wow, transparent back case. 20,000 revolutions per minute spinner fan. The phone has 3 cameras. First is 50 MP f, 1.9 wide. Second is 8 MP ultra wide. Third is 2 MP macro. 0.6000 mAh battery. SIM card slot. Type-C pod. Speaker grill. 2 touch sensitive slide button. Red Magic game space button. 3.5mm headphone jack. Let's switched on the phone. The phone has SD8 Gen 2 processor. Let's check the game space button. That's all about Red Magic 8 Pro. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button to get more video like this.